Hi, baby. What'd you get? Are you enjoying your trains?
Yeah.
Hey, Eli, I'm taking a movie. Say hi.
Well, you want to take a video of us playing Trackmaster?
I do. Cranky, you're loud. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
What?
I figure out why I'm going higher.
I'm really useful.
I guess that's as high as it goes.
This button right here, Yana, makes you go back to right there. Like, you just hit that button one time. Like, let go, watch. Let go right there. Just hit that button one time. You know, he automatically goes right back there. Back up, James.
Let's get to work.
Out of the way.
Hey, Eli.